Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to delete comments from your WordPress website. So let's get started. So first thing, just go to the WordPress admin panel and to the left tab you'll be having option called as comments. Just click this and here we will be getting all the comments that are being made on your WordPress website. And in case if you don't like any comment and you want to delete it, if you just hover over a comment, we'll be having unapproved and bin. So if you want to delete the comment, you can just click on bin. That's it, the comment will be deleted. So once you're done deleting a comment, that comment will go into this bin tab. So just click on that, and here you can see we are having that comment over here. And if you just click on delete permanently, it will move off from the bin folder. And in case if you want to do bulk actions, so if you go to all, you can just select it like this, and if you go on bulk actions, move to bin and apply, those two comments will be deleted. And if you go to bin and again delete permanently, that will also go off. So this is basically how you delete, as far as delete permanently the comments of your WordPress website. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and WordPress and other AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.